DODOELEPHANT RC Dinosaur Prehistoric Head RC Stunt Car for kids. It'll do a wheelie, it'll spin with LED lights doing a nice circle, and it'll go all over the place, up to 50 feet, 3.7 volt battery, many hours of runtime. It's an internal battery, charges 60 minutes. Let's open this bad boy up, show you what you get inside. You get an instruction guide, go over in detail, number of languages, talks about LiPo batteries, and here is the vehicle and the package. Supply AA batteries to the controller, and off you go. USB-C cable plugs into the back of the unit with the on and off switch located next to it. You have a power bank, brick charger, whatnot. Plug into the unit, turn on, and the light will turn red and go off when fully charged after 1 hour of the 300 milliamp battery. We have a precision screwdriver. Take the back off, open up, place in your 2 AA batteries, disposable lithium rechargeables. Place the back door on and lock down. 1 speed and 1 speed only. The vehicle will go forward, wheelie, go left, go right, backwards, and do its special mode, like so, that will spin up and lights light up in the front only. There is a demo mode. You need plenty of room for demo mode. Nice close-up look at the vehicle. Yellow and black tires. Check online for further detail about the color and product you are looking for. Turn the vehicle on, you see the lights light up. Turn the controller on as well. Give a little spin, you see one tire. Give a little spin, you see the other tire. If I put down on the table and I do that special mode, watch out. This thing is indestructible. If it's upside down, you'll be able to turn it around and right side up. Off the table we go. There's no room for demo mode. It will go stir crazy. Woohoo! Indoor, outdoor fun, wherever you want to play. You wheelie and put it into demo mode. All-terrain, grass, dirt, ground. You have loads of fun playing. Cancel demo mode by hitting one of the buttons, and you have fun all day long with your kid. I hope you enjoy this product, if this is something that you are after.